Hi, what's up, guy? How are you? Today I'm thinking to shoot some traditional dress with the Indian models in Bahrain. Let's call her. Hi, Lakshmi. How are you?
Hi John, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
I am thinking for my next session that to shoot you wearing traditional Indian dress. Are you interested?
Wow, that's great. Yeah, sure, I can dress up in traditional clothes.
Okay, great. Let's shoot at the mosque with the traditional architecture.
Yeah, sure, I'm so excited. Let's catch up soon. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Yes, see you soon. Bye. So after the shoot at the Grand Mosque with Lakshmi wearing her traditional dress, the early morning light was beautiful, soft, and a few people around. This is often the best time of a day to shoot. Lakshmi is an Indian young model living in Bahrain. I discovered her on Instagram and I shot her a few times since. When we arrived there, everything's so perfect, the light, the timing, and not many people around. Also, it's so quiet and so private for the shoot. I have her standing in front of the mosque to have an exterior background, and I face her with golden soft light. I am using Nikon Z7 with an excellent 24-70mm f4. My setup was 5.6 f and shutter speed 225, ISO 64. I try to shoot at the low waist native ISO as I can to get the details and the texture. The f5.6 give enough the detail on the models to make it sharp, and the focus 125 is enough to avoid blur image. I am careful to pose the models in the way I want. With the right light, poses, and composition, I only need a few shots to get it right. It will be much easier to get back to edit that way. This time her dress matched the background perfectly. For a little bit of variation, I asked Lakshmi to move up to the stair so that I could create an interesting background with the columns. The shadows and leading lights give an extra depth, and I did not want to miss shooting her. With the old traditional wooden door of the mosque, Indian women have beautiful faces and eyes. So finally, I also set up a few headshots. And here are some footage behind the scene and some final results.